16th one. Let A be the set of elements like 1, 2, 3, so on 14. Define a relation from A to A. Means only single set A is given. A to A by x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. Both x and y belongs to A because we have only one set A, means both x, y also belongs to A. Yes, for that purpose, first you take relation R x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0, or this is nothing but y equal to 3x. ಇದು minus y ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus y ಆಗ್ತದೆ 3x as it is, or y equal to 3x. minus y ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋರಿ 3x equal to y, 3x as it is, minus y ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ plus y, 3x equal to y ಬರೆಯೋ ಬದಲು y equal to 3x ಬರೆದ್ರಿ. Yes, this is our relation. Here x and y are the elements of A. And what are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, so on 14. These are the elements of A. Now I want to prepare R. First x select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So these are all considered as x. Once you take x1, x value 1 select ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದರ ಬಾಜು y ಇದೆ, y prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. y equal to 3x, y equal to 3, x1 ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. Therefore y becomes 3. Yes, now you take x as a 2, then y becomes 3 into 2, 6. Next you take x3, then y becomes 3 into 3, because we took x as a 3, 3 into 3 becomes 9. After that you take x4 here, 4 irtadil bardil andre irtada, x4 tagori, then y becomes 3 into 4, 3 into 4 is what? 12. After you take x5, that time y becomes 3 into 5, 15. But 15 is not a member of set A because R is defined on A. R A base ಮೇಲೆ define ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, but 15 A ದಾಗ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ don't write 5, 15. So you only complete from 4, 12. x4 y12 ಬರೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. x1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, y3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. x2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, y6 ಬರ್ತದೆ. x3 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, y9 ಬರ್ತದೆ. x4 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, y12 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Yes, x comma y all are in the form of x comma y, x comma y, x comma y. Observe this one. Write the domain. Domain means every first elements in the pair of R. Relation R ದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ every first elements ಗಳು domain ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of the domain. Range means every second elements are called range. Every second elements are called range. Means 3, 6, 9, 12 is said to be elements of the range. One more, codomain. R is relation from A to A. Second set itself A. That is called codomain A. Elements of A are 1, 2, 3, so on 14. Is it clear? Define ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 3x minus y equal to 0. You take y in RHS, then y equal to 3x. y equal to 3x, y equal to 3x. Once you take x1, put here 3 into 1, 3. x1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ put ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ y value 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next x value 2 select ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ put ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 3 into 2 6, y value 6. x2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದೆ x value 3 select ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, y value ಬರಿಬೇಕು. y value ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? x ದಲ್ಲಿ put ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 3, 3, 3 into 3 becomes 9. Next you take x4, 4 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ put ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 3 into 4 becomes 12. Next 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 into 5. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3 into 5 15 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 15 is not a member of this set because R is relation on A. Set A ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, A ದಾಗ 15 ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Every first elements are called domain. Every second elements are called range, and second set means R is relation from A to A means A is called as codomain. Next one. Next one. Set A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. R relation on set A. R is relation on the set A. A to A means, so we have only one set A. R is relation on A defined as x comma y, y equal to x plus 1. Depict this relation using an arrow diagram and also write the domain, codomain and range of R. Okay, don't worry about this one. Okay, first you take given R equal to what? X comma y such that y equal to x plus 1, and set A equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the elements of A. Now I want to prepare R. These are all considered as x. So once you take x1, you want to write y, means put 1 here, 1 plus 1, that time we get y as a 2. Next you take x2 here, put 2 here, 2 plus 1, we get y as a 3. Next you take x3, that time put here 3 plus 1, y becomes 4. You take x5, put here 5 plus 1 becomes 6. After that you take x6 here, that time we get y is what? 7. When you take x6, y becomes what? 7. But R is relation on the set A. In the set A, 7 is not present. Therefore, don't write this pair. So only close by using this pair. 5, 6 ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes. So ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಬರೀರಿ. Domain, every first elements means 1, 2, 3, 5 are the domains, and range, every second elements are called range, means you take 2, 3, 4, 6 are called range, and codomain means R is relation from A to A, set A is called codomain. Elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this is in roster for pairs ಬರೆದು ನಾವು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is called roster form. But with the help of arrow diagram ಇದನ್ನ indicate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means arrow diagram, you take A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On both sides you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because R is relation from A to A. Therefore you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 related with 2. 1 related with 2. S. 2 related with 3, 2 related with 3, 3 related with 4, 4 related with 5, 5 related with 6. This is our required arrow diagram. This is our required arrow diagram. Arrow diagram ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವೇನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, 1 2 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ arrow diagram ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. This is the answer for first one. For the second one, write domain, codomain, range. Next one. R is relation on this set n. So set n, n means set of natural numbers. Means you take 1 2 3 so on. So this is the set of natural numbers, and R is given x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number and x is less than 4, and both x and y are belongs to n. This is our relation. So after that we want to find a relation in the roster form. Means particular agi pairs galana baru torisbeku, ಆಮೇಲೆ domain, range, codomain find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now we are thinking about find the relation. X less than 4 means 1 2 3. Yes, once you take x1 y ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Means x1 ತಗೊಂಡಿ 1 plus 5 6. x1 y becomes 1 plus 5 6. x2 2 plus 5 y becomes 7. x3 3 plus 5 becomes what? 8. So only we are taking 1 2 3 because x is less than 4. X is less than 4 means x1 togori 1 plus 5 6. x2 togori 2 plus 5 7. x3 togori 3 plus 5 8. x1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y6, x1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y6, x2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y7, x3 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y8. Yes, this is called roster form, in which you write domain. Domain means every first elements in the pair 1 2 3 are called domain. Range, every second elements 6 7 8. Every second elements are called range 6 7 8. And one more, codomain. Codomain means R is the relation on the set n of natural numbers. Means they gave only one set is natural numbers. Therefore, itself a called as codomain. Codomain means you write some elements like dash 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 1 2 3 bardu dash dash kolbedi. R is relation on n. Yes, so only one set adari n ada, therefore it is called codomain. So again I will continue in the next class.